Josh, what'd you get?
I got Finn! That's not even available on the machine.
Honestly, the best character in the entire news franchise.
I know.
That's not what you said a second ago.
No, it's still trash, but you know. Still, it's the best of trash.
So apparently you put 1,000 yen in and you get something.
But this was not advertised in the something.
We don't know what the Japanese says, but I think it's just random. I'm gonna try it. Can you hold it?
Yeah. Do you want me to pause it, stop and start again?
No, just like that.
Get ready to rumble in the jungle!
Ready to lose.
Trevor's about to spend his last 1,000 yen. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's inserted.
Back to home without it.
Which one do I press?
The bottom second. Yeah, good. Okay. Fair enough.
Here we go, drum roll.
Oh, what did you
Ooh,
get?
something with a spring in it.
What?
Did you get cups?
What is this?
It's
It's
What?
a speaker.
you got a Bluetooth speaker.
I think, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Dude, I'm gonna do this now.
Okay.
I don't know about you, but like Finn limited edition.
Shit, I was about to lose Farley's card.
I don't want to trade.
Here we go.
Come on.
Shut up and take my money.
Okay. You could get.
So, Josh went
Bluetooth?
there, I'm gonna go here.
Okay.
Wait, we didn't touch yours.
I didn't touch it either.
What'd you get?
Yeah, I got a pair of crappy headphones I can never wear.
Why?
Stuff for 10
Because
bucks.
it stuff fucks up my hip, like my balance or whatever, my
It's
head pressure.
The one that goes in your ears.
Yeah, it stuffs up my head pressure.
Oh. I think I won out of all this.
I think, yeah.
I got the best deal.
Okay, maybe we should do this every day.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah, but
And I have a feeling some of the things on here might not actually fit in this vending machine.
Oh,
are
yeah.
you saying that a tank doesn't fit in this vending machine?
I was thinking more the PlayStation.
My thought was the watch. There's also like a Transformers thing over there, so I don't know what this is all about.
Well,
Why couldn't I get a Finn action figure instead of a pair of headphones? Do you like it? Do you want the pair of headphones?
Transaction.
I can always
It's
buy
over.
something. And cut.